Kaushik, and all these beautiful vegetables you see are an outcome of us working with Mr. Sandeep. He is a specialist in growing vegetables on the terrace and also on farms, and he's using very organic techniques to grow vegetables, which is very good for our health. So now we have been working with him for 2 years, and he seems to have a very good magic formula for soil, which involves a lot of dry rotted leaves, and I have been trying to grow vegetables on the terrace for a very long time, but it is only after I started using his soil that it kind of took off. And for the last 2 years we have been enjoying, if not all the time, very often, homegrown greens, especially salad greens, which I was always very scared to take from the market because of not knowing where and how they were being grown. And since we are eating them uncooked, it is very comfortable to know that I'm aware of what is being sprayed on them, and it is organic and no harmful and carcinogenic material is going in my system. Thank you. Please give a chance to Mr. Sandeep. He is good.